Steam ovens are the fast, modern way to cook healthy meals inside dishes. Not only does a steam oven save you time and effort, but it also preserves food's moisture, nutrients, and flavor. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best steam ovens for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven. In our opinion, this is the best budget steam oven on the market. It is available at a reasonable price of about $280. The Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven combines all of the traditional features of a countertop toaster oven broiler, with the powerful combination of steam and convection baking. It also steam broils, super steams, proofs and bakes bread, and keeps boots warm. Plus it even toasts like a conventional toaster oven broiler. Steam baking allows food to retain more moisture, and requires no oil, providing healthier, juicier, and more succulent foods, and with the combination of 120 minutes of uninterrupted steam heat and convection cooking, you can cook foods up to 40% faster than a traditional oven. The Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven bakes bread, rolls, and homemade pretzels. Plus, even donuts and pizza dough, and with its specialized proofing technology, you can prepare and bake your bread with artisan results. Use the unique steam bake and steam broilers features to cook your favorite dishes while retaining moisture for more flavor and less fat. Choose the steam feature to steam vegetables, fish, and even rice. Or when you reheat leftovers for next day meals, they won't dry out. The Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven has 9 preset cooking functions, including convection bake, keep warm, and super steam. The generous interior space measures 0.60 cubic feet, and can accommodate a whole 4.5-pound chicken, or a 12-inch pizza, even though the exterior size is engineered to take up very little counter space. The Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven features a 47-ounce removable water reservoir, generously sized blue display, and comes with a wire rack, baking pan, broiling rack, chrome tray, and drip tray. Use the oven in the summer when you don't want to heat up the entire house with a conventional oven. Or use it to perform perfectly as a second oven, while entertaining baking, broiling, toasting, and steaming. Have never been so effortless, or more efficient. Get the most out of your countertop space with ease, by bringing professional-grade cooking technology to your kitchen today with a Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven. Number 4. BLUMLEIN JU3200. The best value steam oven available on the market. You can get it for $300 with 26 quarts, and around $480 with 34 quarts. BLUMLEIN JU3200 is a combination convection steam oven that allows you to cook like never before. Still having trouble choosing between a steam oven or a convection oven? BLUMLEIN is the best of both worlds. A traditional steam oven can heat up your food quickly and keep it moist, but your food may come out soggy. On the other hand, a convection oven may produce a crispy, evenly browned result, but can leave your food dry and hard to swallow. BLUMLEIN perfectly combines steam and convection functions to give you shorter cooking times and moist, juicy food with a crispy exterior. So, what makes BLUMLEIN JU3200 so special? It's your perfect 10-in-1 kitchen solution. Steam, high temperature steam, grill, convection, combi, preheat, defrost, fermentation, sterilize and descale functions all in one convenient package. The generous interior space measures 114 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 5-pound chicken, a 10-inch pizza, an 8-inch chiffon cake, 18 egg tarts, 16 chicken wings, and even a large tomahawk cut of steak. Instead of the 80 to 120 minutes max steam time of other brands, cooking could be extended to approximately 180 minutes with a full reservoir of BLUMLEIN. Thanks to its advanced Air Plus technology. This feature also guarantees less steam would be expelled from the oven during cooking, which provides better protection for your kitchen cabinets. A 304 stainless steel interior, anti-scald, 3-layer glass door with aluminum handle, and a removable upper stainless steel heating element, make this oven safe and durable. Cooking a gorgeous meal for your whole family with the BLUMLEIN Steam Convection Oven is simple and easy. Now enjoy moisture, crispy, and most important, healthy food with the BLUMLEIN Steam Convection Oven. Number 3. Anova Precision Smart Oven. The best premium steam oven available on the market. It's available at around $690. The Anova Precision Oven is large at 22.4 inches wide by 17.7 inches deep by 14.1 inches high. That gives you a generous interior capacity of 1.2 cubic feet, but you'll find that it also takes up a lot of space in your average size kitchen. The oven comes with 2 wire racks, a sheet pan, and a temperature probe. The oven itself is a sleek-looking countertop model with a tempered glass door and a touchscreen display built into the handle. That's where you'll set temperature, time, steam level, heating elements, and cooking mode if you're not controlling the oven through the Anova Oven app. You can connect Anova to Google Assistant for commands such as, Google, preheat the oven to 350 degrees, but you can't ask to tweak steam, sous vide, or heating element settings. Anova also works with an Anova Alexa skill for preheating voice commands. Those are a bit more expansive and include options like, Alexa, set my oven to sous vide at 125 degrees, or, Alexa, bake in my oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. The science behind the APO is based on modulated temperature control and using steam, as a means of preventing food from drying out as it can in a traditional oven. The APO uses the PID controller, proportional integral derivative, that corrects a failure in a particular control function. Multiple temperature sensors and a microprocessor control temperature. So when the sensors pick up an increase or decrease in temperature, the PID controller makes the adjustment to maintain the temperature programmed. The APO has an integrated water tank that generates steam inside the oven. This creates plenty of humidity which surrounds and clings to what's being cooked, so the food's internal moisture doesn't evaporate. Number 2. FOTILE Chefcubii 4-in-1 Steam Combi Oven. The best runner-up steam oven available on the market. It's priced at around $500. First off, the interior capacity is much larger than most countertop ovens, a full cubic foot, so you can roast a large chicken or a small prime rib, making it large enough for a family of 4 to 6, but not overwhelmingly huge if you are just 1 or 2 in your household. It has preset menus and dishes that allow you to just press a button and automatically do everything from baking potatoes, to air frying chicken nuggets, to dehydrating homemade beef jerky. It has the ideal capacity for all your cooking needs. A 3-layered heat-resistant door prevents heat transfer and heat loss. Cleaning an oven has never been easier with its unique steam self-clean mode. It's a steam oven, convection oven, dehydrator, and air fryer all in one product, so you can enjoy truly versatile cooking. This oven features 4 baking modes. The 3 U-shaped heating elements and large air inlet help prepare foods quickly. The unique steam bake mode adds moisture while baking, so your food will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Steaming is also available. It's a healthier cooking method that preserves more nutrients. Want to enjoy fried foods without the guilt? Try oil-free air fried. You can start making homemade, healthy snacks with a dehydrated mode. The 40 built-in recipes offer the best time and temperature for all your favorites. Finally, one of the things that you'll love the most is how quiet even the convection operation is. Even better, no special hookup or ventilation is required. All you need is a countertop and a grounded outlet, and purified water to fill the steam tank, and you will be up and running within half an hour out of the box. Number 1. Whynter TSO-488GB. The best overall steam oven available on the market. It is available at a reasonable price of about $380. Introducing the Whynter Multifunctional Intelligent Oven. This all-in-one easy-to-use oven allows you to choose between separate functions and modes, such as ferment for baking, preheat, yogurt making, air fry, dehydrate, steam, roast, bake, DIY, and descaling. The large capacity water tank holds all of the water needed to steam and cook a full meal without interruption. The extra large 40-liter 1/4 cubic foot capacity allows room to cook for the whole family. You can even fit a full-size turkey inside. Multi-level cooking allows you to cook different types of side dishes at once. The dynamic heating and steaming convection system works together with a powerful internal fan to evenly circulate heat throughout the interior, to cook food perfectly on all sides every time. Steam cooking helps your food retain valuable nutrients, vitamins and minerals, and allows the food to maintain optimal moisture levels for peak freshness. Steam cooking also requires no cooking oil to keep your meals light and healthy. In addition, the steam oven evenly reheats leftovers without drying out food the way a microwave can. The baking function has 9 programs, from bread to cookies, and even cakes. The multifunction oven combines grill, convection, and steam cooking modes to make your dishes tender and juicy on the inside, while being browned and flavorful on the outside. This special air fry function is designed to fry foods with hot air without the mess or extra fat and calories from oil. Delicious and healthy foods for the whole family. This is the only appliance that you will need in your kitchen. Intelligent, easy to use healthy meals brought to you by Whynter.